Welcome to our English Learning Moral Stories. Here, we read short and simple stories that teach important life lessons. While you listen, you can also learn English words and sentences. Each story is easy to understand, and we repeat key words to help you remember them. Let's enjoy the story and learn English together. Little Anna lives in a small village near the hills. She is a kind and smart girl. Anna loves to help others. She loves to learn new things. But sometimes Anna feels tired. She thinks life is too hard. One morning, Anna wakes up early. The sun is bright. Birds are singing. She looks outside her window. The hills are green and the sky is blue. Anna smiles. Today is a special day. Today, she wants to help her family. Anna's family is poor. They have a small house. They have a small garden. They have chickens and one cow. Anna's father works hard. He goes to the fields early in the morning. He comes home late in the evening. Anna's mother cooks food, cleans the house, and takes care of Anna and her little brother, Tom. Anna thinks, I want to help my family. I want to do something important today. She runs to the kitchen. Good morning, Mom, she says. Good morning, Anna. Her mother says, Did you sleep well? Yes, Mom. I want to help today. Anna says. Her mother smiles. That is very good, Anna. But helping is not always easy. You need to try hard. You need patience. Anna nods. She understands. She knows helping means work. It is not easy, but she is ready. Anna goes to the garden. The garden has many vegetables. There are tomatoes, carrots, and beans. Some vegetables are small. Some vegetables are big. Some vegetables are ready to eat. Anna looks at the weeds in the garden. The weeds are tall and strong. They cover the vegetables. Anna feels a little tired, but she says, I can do this. I can help my family. I will try. She starts to pull the weeds. She pulls one, then another, then another. Her hands are dirty. Her arms are tired. But Anna does not stop. She repeats in her mind, I can do this. I can help my family. God helps those who help themselves. Her little brother, Tom, comes to the garden. Anna, why are you working so hard? He asks. I want to help Mom and Dad. Anna says, I want to help our family. God helps those who help themselves. I want to try. Tom watches Anna. Then he smiles. I want to help too, he says. He runs to pick small weeds. Anna laughs. She feels happy. Thank you, Tom, she says. Helping is better when we do it together. They work for a long time. The sun becomes hot. Anna feels tired again. She wants to rest, but she sees the garden. The vegetables are growing under the sun. They need her care. Anna takes a deep breath. She says, I will continue. I can do this. God helps those who help themselves. Meanwhile, Anna's mother comes to the garden. She carries a basket of water. Anna, you are doing very well, she says. Look at the vegetables. They will grow better because you work hard. Anna feels proud. She smiles. Mom, I understand now. Helping is hard, but it is good. God helps those who help themselves. If we try, God gives us strength. After a while, Anna and Tom finish cleaning the garden. The vegetables look beautiful. They are free from weeds. The tomatoes are red. The carrots are clean. The beans are green and fresh. Anna's father comes home from a field. He sees the garden. He feels happy and surprised. Anna, Tom, what a good job, he says. You worked very hard. Our family will have good food because of you. Anna smiles. We tried, Father. We worked hard. God helps those who help themselves. We did our best. That evening, Anna feels tired but happy. She sits near the fireplace. Her mother brings hot soup. Anna drinks it slowly. She thinks about the day. She thinks about the work. She thinks about helping her family. Anna learns an important lesson. She learns that help does not always come from others first. Sometimes you need to try. Sometimes You need to work hard. Sometimes you need to take the first step. God helps those who help themselves. The next day, Anna wakes up early again. She wants to help more. She wants to learn more. She wants to be kind and strong. She goes to the garden. She waters the plants. She checks the vegetables. She talks to the little birds. She smiles at the sun. Her friends come to visit her. Anna, why do you work so much? They ask. Anna smiles. I help my family. I try hard. I do my best. God helps those who help themselves, she says. Her friends look at her and feel inspired. We want to try too, they say. Anna feels happy. She knows that trying is the first step. She knows that working hard is important. She knows that helping is a good habit. Weeks pass. The garden grows well. The vegetables are big and fresh. Anna's family is happy. They eat good food. They feel healthy. They feel strong. They feel proud. Anna learns more lessons. She learns that small efforts make big results. She learns that patience and hard work bring success. She learns that God sees the effort. He helps those who try. He helps those who work. One day, a traveler comes to their village. He is tired and hungry. Anna sees him and says, "Sir, please rest here. Have some food." The traveler smiles. "Thank you, young lady. You are very kind." Anna's mother brings food. The traveler eats slowly. He enjoys the vegetables. He says, "These vegetables are fresh and good. Who grows them?" Anna points to herself and Tom. We work hard. We care for the garden. God helps those who help themselves, she says. The traveler nods. You are right, young lady. Hard work and help come first from yourself. Then help comes from God. Anna feels proud. She smiles at her mother and father. She feels happy in her heart. She knows she learned the most important lesson of life. Days become weeks. Weeks become months. The seasons change. The garden grows more vegetables. Anna continues to help. She continues to learn. She continues to be kind. She continues to try her best. Anna's family grows stronger. They grow happier. They grow healthier. Anna grows wiser. She grows kind. She grows patient. She grows brave. She knows one truth. Trying hard and helping yourself is the first step to success. God helps those who help themselves. Moral: God helps those who help themselves. If you try hard and work for good things, you will succeed.